doing that for us. Okay, so here we've got Alan. Alan, would you like to just tell the I don't know who is watching this, probably no one, but you know, could we just be, what's going on right at this very second?
We are being buffeted by waves as we sit on the banks of Inle Lake.
Why? Well, it's not really a lake yet, it's still the river.
Inle Lake Canal.
And why are we here on the banks of the Inle Lake Canal?
We've gotten up at the ungodly hour of 6 a.m. in order to watch the sunrise, which it actually is starting to do.
Oh my God, there it is.
But unfortunately, we're not on the lake yet. A, because I was late getting there, and B, because our petrol line has split and dumped all of our fuel into the river. And we're sitting here with our crack team trying to repair it with our high-tech gadgetry.
I'd like to know what she's doing with the lighter.
Yeah.
Fill it up with petrol and then we'll use the lighter to get it going.
Yeah, exactly. Is there anything left in the tank? Let's see. Oh.
There you go. There's your sunrise. When I said 10 minutes, I should have said 3.
sweet cigar.
No, I'm good.
You want to hear the smell?
I haven't got much smell to give it.
Yeah. This is a sweet cigar.
Sweet.
That does sound like, smell like anise.
You want to taste it? Give it a pull.
Pogi inside the block. Where you come from?
America.
Oh, America. Good. Ready.
That's good.
So tell us about the taste.
I don't really know. It's just it's anise, I think. It's kind of like a licorice, but it doesn't come through like. I don't really like the licorice taste, so it doesn't really come through as it though. It's just in smoke form. You have the hint of it, but it changes, so it's a little bit nicer. But it is actually sweet. Yeah, there's honey in there, so maybe that's it. But quite nice.
I like the element that we don't have to get off the boat.
Yes.
Bless you.
Jumping cats?
Jumping cats?
Yes,
Okay, last stop.
last song.